Welcome to the Creator Series. This series is brought to you by SocialBook and was made with small content creators in mind. These videos will cover a range of different topics, and I'll share my tips and advice on how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized, and also free tools and resources that you can use to make the most out of your content. Hi everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of the Creator Series. So today's video is a little different. I know we've been talking about tools for influencers to monetize their content, find brand deals, but now we're going to switch it up and talk about tools for business owners and brands. For brands and business owners, finding the right content creators to work with is just as important as it is for creators to find the right brands to work with. And SocialBook has many different features and resources for brands to utilize to make sure they're working with the right people, make sure that they're managing all of their campaigns and having everything organized so that the collaborations run smoothly. So personally, I'm not a business owner or entrepreneur. Maybe in the future, who knows? But I wanted to share what SocialBook has to offer for those of you who are watching who are small business owners and maybe want to expand and start working with people. And I just hope that all of this information can be helpful for you. So an important aspect of brand collaborations is finding the right creator or influencer to reach your target audience. So for example, a sustainable fashion brand will most likely reach out to creators who promote sustainable brands, are educating their audience on how to shop sustainably and the effects of fast fashion and sweatshops on the environment. They probably work with creators who have a similar style to the clothes that they produce and mesh well, have a similar message, and can reach the same audience that they want. So on SocialBook, there is an influencer database where you can search up different influencers and generate their profile reports so brands can narrow down who to work with. SocialBook offers an influencer marketing ultimate suite, which is to help brands spend less money and less time to hire the right influencers to get the best return on investment. On their influencer database search, you can search influencers by name. You can use filters for different criteria such as the country, category, age range, number of followers, average views, the price that the creator charges, whether they have an Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitch, or Twitter accounts, what languages they use, and also which tags they use. So for a gaming company, they'll probably use the tech tag and they would look for creators who make content around gaming. If you don't know where to start, you can also check out some well-known brands. You can monitor different keywords and brands to scope out your competition. This will show you the content that's been made about the specific brand. You can filter through either YouTube posts or Instagram posts. This is useful to see which video topics are trending for the certain brand. It will generate graphs of the interest over time, as well as engagement, and it'll show popular tags that are used in videos about this brand. You can also search on YouTube and Instagram by using the SocialBook checker on Chrome and adding them to your own list. SocialBook Checker allows you to add creators into a list that you can refer back to when you need to email them, and I will cover how to send bulk emails in the next video. So after a brand has a list of content creators to work with, the next thing to do is to verify each of them. How much does the creator charge per post? What percentage of their followers are organic? How much average engagement are they getting? What kind of brands did they work with in the past and how did they perform? It's important for brands to spend wisely on the right creators who have the right business potential with the brand. You can check influencer profile reports with all the necessary information that you would need, such as the follower count, total likes, total posts, how much each influencer charges, the cost per engagement, their engagement rate. It'll also show you the kind of brands they've worked with in the past, how many times they've mentioned this brand, the total likes on each brand post, as well as all the sponsor posts they've made and the engagement they've received on it. You can also see their audience demographics, which helps brands determine if they have a similar target audience. So you can see the audience gender, where they're from, and their interests. You can also see the top tags that the influencer uses, different graphs that shows average likes over time, the follower tendency, total follower increased tendency, and this will fluctuate all the time. There's also a tool to run a quick performance prediction. This can be real helpful for brands when they need to report to a manager or client to get approval before working with influencers. So this will tell you how much the campaign will cost, what results are expected, and how well influencers perform on average. So this will show the rates of the campaign costs from low, medium, and high. It'll also show statistics for engagement and engagement quality, and also have graphs for all the demographics, because this will be important to know in order to obtain approval. After doing your research on different creators, narrowing down your list, and verifying that they're a good fit for the brand, the next steps are to get them on board with your campaign, so influencer outreach, and also to manage all the campaigns, which will be covered in my next video, so please stay tuned. If you'd like to use SocialBook's free tools and resources, you can sign up through my link right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.